Guys, look at this. This is what happens when you ride hard. Your fender looks like this. Let me see your peg, and you gotta put a bolt on for pegs. You know what I mean? What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I guess this is a vlog. I guess. I don't even know what my channel is anymore. I do reviews, I do how-tos, do-it-yourselves, vlogging. I guess today we're gonna be vlogging a little bit. I got the homie Pax right behind me with his Talaria MX4. He came by the house so I can help him bleed his brakes. So we got that done. But for some reason, the front brake was like, the little bleed screw on the bottom caliper was weird when I put it back on. It felt kind of weird. It did go on, but it felt kind of weird.
Let me just stop for a second.
And there you go. The other homie's calling me right now, but we'll continue this. Everything cool? So, where was I? So, yeah, as I said, the front caliper bleed screw came off easy, but it's like put in a weird type of angle. When I went to kind of screw it back on, it screwed on, but it did feel a little bit weird. And I mean, it seemed okay. And we just hit the street to go meet up with the other two friends, and I guess we heard this weird squeaking noise from his front brake, and I was like, oh no, you know, I thought maybe a little bit of oil got on. I mean, usually I'm pretty clean with when I bleed my brakes, nothing really gets on there, but I guess a little bit, if you guys can see, a little bit slipped, and I was like, oh man, I think maybe it's just oil. But then it hit the brake, and I saw like a few drops come out, and we looked at it, and the bleed screw is something, I don't know what happened when I put it on. I guess it wasn't 100% threaded right, so that's my fault, my bad. I never really mess up like that, but we'll get that sorted out. The rear one is working great though. All right, let's go. We can go that way. All right, another beautiful day. Oh, we got them already wheeling. Ooh, look at that M3 right here. Sick. I gave my bike a little TLC, cleaned the chain real nice from the last time I went out. We were super deep mud. Cleaned the chain really nice, and my belt was sounding like somebody's murdering a cat. So I got this belt dressing, put that on there. It sounds so nice. It actually sounds like how I got the bike brand new. Look at him with the broken fender and bolt as pegs. Line. If you follow my channel, you know this spot already. Look at that little rabbit. Ooh. It's pretty dusty today. I'm gonna have to close my visor. You can't see anything up here. The sun with the dust made it so it was kind of blind for a second, or I couldn't see anything at all. Let's go lead the pack. I need to breathe some fresh air, y'all. We'll go in the back in a little bit. Where the f are they? Did they go back? What happened?
Fell.
Who? Oh shit.
Yeah, my front brake. I hit it and there was no brake, so I went backwards. Since I didn't have the front brake, it like yanked the weird way, and I ended up like...
We'll fix that ASAP.
It was cool. I was just relying too much on it.
Yeah.
I didn't have it, you know?
You want to go first? Go. I'll be the last one. That way.
Now, you'll see what it is. It's the sun. I couldn't see anything from the sun, and that's when I looked down to try to see, try to like block off the sunbeam, and I saw his rear wheels, and I hit both brakes. But because I don't have the front brake, and I was relying on it, it just yanked.
Yeah, that's crazy. I kept on going, and I was like, "Yo, where are they?" I thought either you guys wanted to go a different direction, or you know, the worst. You know, someone fell. I feel super bad now because you know we were working on the brakes, and this kind of happened. So we'll just have to take it a little bit easier up here, I guess. It's funny because right as I was mentioning, you can't really see where you're going. This is what happened to him, and he said the sun ray messed him up. It's so dry out here right now. Everything is dusty, dustier than what it usually is up here. Gotta make sure to keep an eye out on my rear view mirror every now and again. Make sure we're all sticking together, because when I went up that hill, I thought they were right behind me, and for a split second I wasn't sure what happened. He's a decent human being, saying hello, enjoying life, enjoying the weather. Move to the side, let us pass. In about 10 seconds we'll be out of his way, out of his day, and everybody's happy. Those are the cool people in life. A lot more people need to be like that guy. This is Mother Nature. And technically speaking, somebody mentioned something in the comment section of one of my shorts that is absolute truth. This place is not a mountain bike trail. It's not a mountain bike park. It wasn't built for mountain bikers. It wasn't built by mountain bikers. This is for hiking. So hikers come first over here. Even though most of them are super nice, and if they see you, they will move to the side, wave, say hello, we're gonna slow it down for them, etc. But what I'm trying to say is, this guy left a comment that was just absolute gold, and he says this. He goes, if these places were meant for hiking and hikers have the right of way, how come I'm the one that always has to get out of the way of mountain bikers and not the other way around? And he's 100% right. 100% right. Not the end of the world.
Damn, bro.
What happened? Let me see.
Because I don't know even what happened. We went like this, no, like this, and went out from under me because I didn't have the front brake to stop it.
Yeah, that's crazy, man.
See this? All that dust all over my face? When the sun hit it,
It was blackout. Yeah. I was literally saying that in my video when I started. I'm like, oh wow, the sun, and I couldn't see anything. All right, let's go continue this adventure. Go catch the sunset. This is the trail I ate it on. Whee. Broke my collarbone on this, coming down from the other opposite direction. Man, that was not fun. Oh, this was it. Man, it's even more dangerous coming this way. It's crazy. Avoid the poop. We're about to go hit up our favorite chill out spot just in time to catch this beautiful sunset. I haven't been up here in a while, so wow, it kind of overgrew a whole lot. Wow, look at this. How beautiful is this? How beautiful this is. Definitely my favorite view spot. It's got this little cool chair that you can sit on, and you can come up here. This is the valley, and this is our domain. We got trails for days over here. There are so many more trails out here to explore that we gotta test them out. That was a beautiful sunset. That view is amazing. It might be time to turn the light on over here. It might make me all blind if I do that. Let's see. Yeah, I can barely see anything anyways. I don't know if this light is helping me or not. I think I'd rather be without it. I can't get enough of this spot. Can't get enough of this beautiful view. It is starting to get a little dark. This was a beautiful, beautiful ride out today. Some amazing weather, and the scenery is insane out here. As always, guys, highly appreciate if you leave a like. If you really enjoy this type of content, then definitely make sure to subscribe. When we reach 10,000 followers, I got a really cool announcement to make. Be a nice addition to the channel. I think something that a lot of you guys will really like. For those with a sharp eye, you may have noticed it already. Still gonna keep it a little bit of a secret until we reach 10K, which hopefully will happen over here in the next 2 months or so. But that was amazing. That was super fun. Appreciate you guys watching as always, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.